Alright, so what I'm going to show you how to do today is to record some video on your PC. Hopefully you have a PC. If not, if you got a Mac, let me know and I can record Mac video for you. We'll record video for your ASL course so that we can then upload it into your test. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go down here to Cortana, to our search, and we're going to type in camera. We're going to click on camera. Once we are in camera, we are going to click record and make sure it's on take video and not just photo mode. So we're going to click. Now I've done this 3 times, so when we finally finish this, it's going to show 3 of these. Don't worry about why I've done it 3 times. Then we're going to click stop. Down here, it's going to show that it's in your camera roll, and I'm going to show you how to get to the camera roll. So we're going to now shut off our video. We're going to click choose a file in the quiz itself. And normally, you would probably be at your desktop, so I'm going to show you how to actually get to your pictures. Chances are over here you have the pictures this way, so you could click pictures, and then there's your camera roll, and then we pick it that way. If that isn't present, we can go desktop, and then from desktop we'll go down to Windows C. Once we're in Windows C, we click users, then we click DRush, then we click pictures, and then we're back in here. Once you're in here and you find your video, double click on your video, and the video will upload into Canvas. I tested this out with Canvas text themselves. They said it did in fact work for you as the student when they logged in as you. I am an administrator, so I am unable to log in and upload video, so this will have to work for them. Once that's done, you're then going to submit your quiz. So a message will pop up that it's uploading, and once that's all finished and done, then you submit your quiz. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, awesome. And you don't have to worry about anything. So have a good day, and let me know if you got any problems.